Another day. This is now our third day here in Davao. And right now we are on our way to do a island hopping tour in Samal Island. It is now 5:45 a.m. We have an hour drive and Eric is driving. We will be visiting different islands, like I think like 3 or 4. There will be some fun activities like snorkeling and banana boat ride, and it's also inclusive of breakfast and lunch.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's go.
Woke up late, the sun still shines. A full cup and some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy place.
Ito pala yung mga kasama yung tour guide ngayong araw, Ate Jean Catito. So, magbuhay yung pwede sa inyo lahat.
Happy is this happy love. It ain't about
Pumunta na kami.
And
Tubig na agad. Kaaklam mo yung pap. Okay. Ito.
thank you.
So, ano to? Dayang, no? So, this is Dayang-Dayang. Dayang Island.
Ano na to?
Snorkeling. Mag-snorkeling na tayo kasi marami ng corals sa baba.
Wow.
Let's go.
So dito kayo bababa. Yan.
Malalim ba? Naka-on na to? Magkano daw po?
200.
200 dapat. Oh! Yun, laki ng isa. Ito? Ito?
Lagyan mo sa
Dili pwede kay Mosaka. Mosaka.
This is cliff jumping sa Samal Island. So,
Sabang
tumalon.
ata. Sabang cliff.
Oh, sabang.
Tatalong ka?
Hindi. Nakatalon na ako sa mga other part of the world. So, it's fine. I'm good.
Okay.
Let's go. I just want to swim. Last stop. Wishing well. Thank you.
ang saya niya. Na-enjoy ko siya. Ikaw, love.
Yeah.
Enjoy siya,
Snorkeling.
no?
Yeah.
Enjoy siya. Sulit siya dun sa presyo. We paid 1,100 something. Tapos ang dami pagkain. Pagdating nyo pa lang, may paputo cheese. And then, may light breakfast daw. But it was rice with daing na bangus.
With boiled egg.
With boiled egg. Ang bigat din. Tapos, after nun, punta ng isang island. Tapos, punta ng snorkeling. Ang ganda. What can you say about the snorkeling experience?
Nice. It's nice. Ganda, makikita mo yung nature sa ilalim.
We did that, and then after the snorkeling, they served lunch.
Lunch.
Ang
Dami.
generous din ng lunch nila. Hindi siya tinipid. Sobrang ang dami pang
May sinilaw na tuna, may
Mm-mm.
tuna pa nga, chicken na fritada, shrimp, Shanghai na medyo okay naman.
Hindi, pero okay siya.
Sa binayaran
Oo.
mo eh.
Tapos ang sarap
Okay.
lang yung kumakain ka ng lunch, tapos sa dagat. Di ba yung parang
Yeah.
nag-snorkeling ka, tapos
Habang-
kakain ka sa...
Habang umaandar yung dagat, doon
Oo,
kayo nagla-lunch
yung
sa
boat.
yung boat, I mean.
Habang umaandar yung boat.
Boat.
Ayun, dun kami nagla-lunch. So, ang saya, ang sarap lang. Overall, ang ganda ng experience. Maayos yung service.
Shining
Oo nga.
Project, River
Yes.
Bridge. Nice.
Maayos yung service. Ang galing ng mga nag-a-assist.
Oo,
Yung
mabait
very
yung
well
tour
informed.
guides,
Kahit na
Cathy.
parang,
Yeah.
yes, kahit na parang may idadaan lang muna, sasabihin nila na ilang minutes lang to, ganito, ganyan, hindi ka, alam mo yung hindi ka alam mo kung ano yung nangyayari every step of the way. So it was such a fun experience, and if you guys are going to Davao, puntahan nyo yun, experience nyo yun, kasi worth it siya, sobrang worth it siya. So it was from 7 to 4. Sa amin, in our case, may dala kaming sasakyan, papunta dun sa port, kung saan yung pick up. So, nag-keep kami doon. May parking naman, but then, very confusing because at first, they were like, may 20 pesos na payment, and then, nung palabas na kami, 50 pesos na sinisingil ng ibang tao, iba na yung nagpa-park na yung naniningil. And then, bigla naging 30, and then, nung lumabas kami, wala namang payment. So, it was very confusing, but otherwise, it's fine. You know, people have to find ways to earn money. But anyway, liguan, kung if you want to, like, take a quick shower, dapat hindi kayo maarte. Meron doon sa pagbaba din ng port. Tapos, talagang ano lang, very basic na liguan. Ayun. So, nevertheless, it was fun. I like it. This is what Philippines is all about. You know, islands, beach, island hopping, sun, food. This is really always what we look forward, at least for me.
Yeah.
This is always what we
Enjoy
look forward.
It's fun.
Oo, whenever we go vacation here in the Philippines. That's our island hopping tour. I'll put in the name of the tour agency na nag-organize ito for us. So, it's really fun. Highly recommended. Do it, guys, if you're here. Okay, bye. You wanna say something?
No.
Okay, bye.